Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert PDF links inside cells in Google Sheets. In this walkthrough, you'll learn a quick and simple way to place a clickable PDF link directly inside a cell using Google Sheets' Smart Chip feature. This is especially useful when you want your spreadsheet to stay organized while still giving easy access to supporting documents stored in Google Drive. Begin by opening your Google Sheets file. Make sure you are on the spreadsheet where you want the PDF link to appear. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to locate the cell where you'd like to insert the file link. This can be any empty cell or a cell where you want the PDF reference to live. Next, open Google Drive and confirm that the PDF file you want to link is already saved there. This step matters because Google Sheets pulls the file suggestion from your drive. If the PDF is not in Drive yet, it won't appear as an option when you search for it inside the sheet. It also helps if the file name is clear and easy to recognize, since that will make it easier to find in the next step. Now return to your spreadsheet and click into the cell where you want the link to go. Inside that cell, type the @ symbol, followed immediately by the name of the PDF file. As you type, Google Sheets will begin showing matching suggestions. This smart lookup feature is designed to help you quickly find files, people, and other linked content without needing to manually paste a URL. When the correct PDF appears in the results list, click on it. Google Sheets will insert it directly into the cell as a linked file chip. This gives the cell a clean, polished look and makes the document easy to open later with a single click. It also keeps the spreadsheet more readable than using a long pasted link. If you don't see the PDF right away, try checking the spelling of the file name or making sure the document is stored in the correct Google Drive account. In some cases, it may help to pause for a moment while Sheets refreshes its suggestions. And that's all it takes. You've now inserted a PDF link inside a Google Sheets cell in a neat, user-friendly way. This method is great for tracking invoices, reports, contracts, or any other document you want to connect to your spreadsheet without cluttering your data.